Today I want to talk to you about how to get your internet running faster on ADSL. The first thing that you want to do is make sure that you have a short phone cable lead going to your wall socket. The shorter the better. Longer phone cables seem to have issues, especially if you run chairs across them when the cables bend and they split and they stop working. The shorter the distance, the better, the stronger the connectivity. If you want to have long cables running to your modem and to your PCs, the easiest way is to get an electrician in and get Ethernet wired through your house. Running Ethernet makes a stronger connection to the computer, means that it's directly plugged into the modem, and you should get a faster result that way. Wireless is good, but you need to make sure that you have hotspots set up across the rest of the house. If you have upstairs and downstairs or a long flat house and you got the modem at one end and the computer at the other, you're going to have issues with signal. The easiest way is to get an access point or an extender and have Ethernet wired through the house, plug in the extender into the Ethernet, and then that way you'll get signal across the whole building. If you have issues with speed, depending on how far away you are from the telephone exchange, distance works up to about 5 kilometers. If you are far away from the exchange, you can check by going on to adslexchanges.com.au to see how far away you are from the exchange itself. It might show you how far away you are, but it depends on the cable length, on physically how long the cable is from your premises to the exchange. Now, if you're right next to the exchange, you're probably going to have really good speed. But if you're 5 kilometers away and you look like you're 3 kilometers away, it depends on how the phone line was wired, where it goes through the streets around your premises. It might be wrapped around several streets before it comes to your place, and that's probably why you're on the limit. Now, the further you are away, the slower it gets. So if you're on the 5 kilometer distance and you're getting about maybe 1.5 megabits per second, that's why your internet is slow. If you're getting about 24 megabits per second, you're pretty lucky you got high speed. The other thing that can stop the internet from working is no dial tone. So if you pick up your phone and you have no dial tone, this only matters if you have a working phone service. So if you use your home phone for your internet as well, and you actually make and receive a lot of phone calls, you'll notice that when you have no dial tone, the phone won't work and nobody can call you, or you can't make a phone call either. This can also be an issue for the internet. It can make the internet slow. I recently had a customer who had this problem, and there was a fault at the pit just outside her house where the 4 cables in the phone line, 2 of them were broken, and that's why there was no dial tone. This impacted the internet, and it made the internet run horribly slow. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. Bye for now.